Welcome to my video. Today, we are showing top 5 best spot welding machine in 2024. Hi guys, are you looking for the best spot welding machine? If you received a new spot welding machine, then you're in the right place. In this video we're going to review the top 5 best spot welding machine on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading, reviews, and orders. Number 1. Glitter 800 1-hour Spot Welder. The Glitter 800 1-hour Spot Welder is a highly reliable and efficient welding machine used in various industries for joining metal parts through the process of spot welding. Spot welding is typically used to join sheet metal parts, particularly in automotive manufacturing, appliance production, and other industries requiring high-speed welding of thin metal sheets. The welder is designed with user-friendly controls, making it easy for operators to adjust settings and monitor the welding process. Number 2. Sunco 500 Ampere Spot Welding Machine. Spot welding machine is a high-performance, industrial-grade welding machine designed to provide reliable, efficient, and precise spot welding capabilities. It is commonly used for welding thin metal sheets, particularly in industries like automotive, electronics, appliance manufacturing, and more, with a focus on flexibility, power, and ease of use. Number 3. 737 G+ Battery Spot Welder. This spot welder uses advanced pulse welding technology, providing precise and consistent welding results. The ability to adjust the pulse time and power ensures strong and durable welds without damaging the cells. The device can usually handle different welding modes, including pulse, spot welding, and continuous welding, depending on the requirements of the user. Number 4. Glitter 800 1D Spot Welder. It offers adjustable welding power, allowing users to fine-tune the welding parameters according to the material being welded. This flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of materials. Number 5. Electric Jewelry Spot Welder. The electric jewelry spot welder is a specialized tool designed for high-precision welding of delicate metals, making it a popular choice for jewelers and metalworking professionals. This type of spot welder is specifically engineered for joining small, intricate pieces of metal in jewelry making, allowing for strong, clean welds with minimal heat or distortion to the surrounding material. Link on the description. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.